Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide to find the Steam replay of your 2025. So it is a year in review summary for your Steam made for players, similar to Spotify Wrapped, but it's for your gaming stats, so you may follow this process for that. Open up the Steam desktop application for that. And then once you open up the Steam client, you can basically look out for the Steam Replay 2025 banner on your Steam homepage directly. Usually you should be finding it here if you have any, and you can check to view your personalized recap from the section right here. If not this, you can instead go to web browser. So let's close this up and head over to web browser. And there, just go over to Steam Replay of 2025. Usually, this is how you will be viewing it if you have your Steam Replay, with your Steam Replay and how many games you have played and your achievements, your sessions, and your new games. So I clearly do not have any, so it's not showing on mine, but if you have, you'll be finding this kind of interface on your following screen, and there you may just go over and view it. And you may head over to this URL right here, store.steampower.com/replay, and sign in if needed. And when you sign in, you will be seeing your year in review stats, and you can just go over and view it. And it should often give you a replay badge available for you. You can head over and view it up, and you can add it to your profile. The data covers playtime from January 1st to December 14, 2025, and only includes online play. Offline hours won't show. If you don't see the banner yet, because that may be because it may not have been rolled out globally, so you can check back soon. But usually this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.